Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error, the paper jam in Epson HP Smart Tank 551. So you can see it shows the error like E3. You get me? Like it shows the paper. You can see the paper jam. Okay, what you got to do is you open here, check if there's paper. If there's no paper, you open here. See this chamber. You do this. You check inside if there's no paper. Okay, check because sometimes there can be a small paper like that, so you won't see it, or a small paper like this. You get me? So you won't see it, but the printer is gonna be seeing it. So the printer is gonna sense it. So you can see there's nothing. You close there, then you look here. Yeah, you can see there's something white there. That should be paper. Here you can see on that corner there is a paper. I can see the paper. So that paper, how do we take it out? So we need something like a pen, something like that. Well, I got to get something for you. I got a pen here, which I'm gonna use. Like I'm gonna poke that thing and I try to take it out. I guess you saw it. Look, unfortunately my phone can't, but you can see that side. So we need something simple. You can see, yes, we can touch it now. You can see the paper. I can touch it. I can touch it. I can touch it. Yes, good enough. It's gonna come out. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna get a roller. We need money. We need money. So guys, I'm sorry about that. So I think you can see I have to join two pens because this thing is far away from me and I don't want to make it to be torn. When it gets torn, I'm gonna get another issue. So I want to join two pens if I don't get a long wire. So I have to cook my head. Let me get a rubber band. I'm busy here, but you can see what I'm gonna do. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm using this wire now. But it seems to be getting trouble. I'm gonna use this and I'll show you how to do that. Yeah guys, managed to take it out. I don't know if it's one or there are two, whatever, but this is what I got here. I'm using a small wire. You can see this is our issue now, so we got it out. So we're gonna test the machine after that. Yeah, so we got the paper out, but I don't know if there are 2 or 3 or 4, but one is out. I don't seem to see anything more. So what I do, you're gonna switch off the machine and switch back the machine on. Then we see if it's gonna show us that error. So the machine is on now, so I'm gonna put in some papers, then we make some mix. I wonder how it goes in. No, the papers goes this side. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah, so we don't have any paper jam now, so we're gonna make copies. Say, I want you to help me to put in papers here. Oh, it's fine. Thanks. Does it go until down here? Something went wrong, guys. I didn't put in the papers right. like this. Okay, we're done. So copy, which copy I can make. Well, I still see the issue. I see the error comes back. So, but you've seen how to take it out. So let me take out these papers. I still see the error, but I think it because of I misfed the machine. Let me take it out and take back on. Switch on back the machine. I think it was because of the papers. I didn't put them right. Okay, for now, let me put in the machine, the papers. Let me put in the papers. Yes, and we see. Yeah, I put in the papers. I want to make a copy. So the first time I didn't feed in the papers right. So let me see. 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 I'm gonna make a black and white copy. Okay. The machine is getting ready. That's it. Still give me this, but anyway, you saw how to take out that. I suspect that there is another thing, what they call another paper gem somewhere. But this is what I've done, and you've seen how to take it out. So you can use a small wire, but all we have to know that you have to analyze each and every corner, because sometimes there are those which you won't see. Like that was so small. I'm even still trying to check if there's something else, because it gives me the same problem. Yeah, guys, another thing I discovered is this. You move this. You get me? Once you move that. So you shifted that, you shifted these heads. Once you shifted these heads, what's gonna happen is you can see here. I discovered another paper. You can see this paper, that paper there. So I'm gonna take it out using a wire, because it's far. It's a terrible paper jam. You can see also here. You can get it. You can see, right? That is taken out. That's why I'm saying you can find a lot of things here. You can see, I'm sorry, there are people laughing and stuff. So this is another stress. So, but also you've seen that we cleared two paper jams in a very critical places, whereby we couldn't even think that there can be a paper jam like that, right? So once you do that, shift this back to the heads back, then you close this chamber also, then you see what the printer is going to tell you. If it tells you that again, you have to look for more. But let me see, take it out, switch it on. Okay. Let the machine come on and we judge from there. But I think everything is gonna be fine, because we took out this and another small one. Yeah, the small one is here. Okay. I think everything is getting well now. So let the machine be ready, then we make a copy. I put on a ready copy here. to make. Okay. Okay, once you feel like everything is fine, then you can make a copy black and white. Let's see. If it gives me error, it means there's another small paper. But, well, good enough. I don't think there is. I don't think there is, and I don't think they're gonna be. I think this time it's gonna print. It's just slow, but I don't see any other paper jam giving us trouble. Yeah, you can see now we started printing. That simply means there's no paper jam. Let's wait for the printout. So you can see it's printing bit by bit, and the paper is gonna come out well. Guys, it's not easy to fix a machine like this. You must have patience. You see in the first part we took out whatever we took out, but still we find that there was an issue again. It's taking time. But you know, this printer is very slow. It can make maybe one page after 2 to 3 minutes. Copy is very slow. But it's a color machine.
How are you now? I'm fine.
Your printer is fine. So I found another one under the head. So but I'm making a copy now, so everything is fine. Yeah, guys, I was fixing it for a teacher, and yeah, everything is fine. You can see the page is coming in. I think it's yeah, well, this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. You can see the printer is printing nicely.